Another way that I might ask you to insert a photo into an assignment and attach it to a Google Classroom assignment is to take a previously created Google Slides presentation that you used for a previous assignment and insert a new slide and add your photo there. The reason I might ask you to do a type of assignment like this is if we are spending multiple days working on an assignment, by using the same presentation and inserting slides at the end of your time working, you can document and track the progress that you've made as you've worked on the assignment. So Tuesday, September 22nd, that assignment is an example of one where you need to locate and open a previously created presentation for a different assignment and edit it and attach a photo of your work. So in order to do that, if we read the instructions, it says open your weaving presentation. So open Google Drive, then open the Classroom folder, then open your Art 7 folder. The presentation is titled Your First and Last Name - Weaving. You're going to duplicate the last slide in the presentation, delete the photo and change the date to today's date, insert a photo of your project, and then attach the presentation to this assignment and turn in. So I'm going to go to Google Drive, double click on the Classroom folder, and double click on your Art folder. From there, you should see the presentation that was previously created. So I click on my Elvis Presley. That's me. I'm the student. And I want to go to the last slide in the presentation. So this was the most recent photo that I took. To duplicate the slide, click on Slide, and then select Duplicate Slide. So slides 4 and 5 should be exactly the same now. Make sure that slide 5 is highlighted. You want to click on the photo and hit backspace to delete. You want to change the date from the 17th to the 22nd because that was the date. And then you need to insert image. You want to use your camera. So I'm going to hold the most recent progress up that I have made on this assignment and take a photo once I feel like it's lined up nicely. Now make sure that this photograph is highlighted in blue. Hit insert and then drag this up to the upper right hand corner. Always when resizing photos, make sure that you pull from the corner. So I'm going to drag the corner down and making sure that my image is highlighted. Now I'm going to crop it. So make sure that we are dragging the black lines. Don't drag from the blue dots. If you drag from the blue dot, just hit undo and then go back and redo it. Hit enter once it's cropped. And you can go ahead and close the presentation. Next, we want to view the assignment. You need to click Add or Create. Click on Google Drive. Now, as long as this is the most recent thing that you have done, your presentation should be here. You can select it, hit Insert, and that will insert your assignment. Now, if you want to double check and make sure that the work is there and that it's correct, you can click on it, double check, make sure you see what you've just completed, and then you can go ahead and hit the Turn In button. So that's how you locate previously created presentations in your Google Drive, insert photos into that presentation, and attach it to a Google Classroom assignment to turn in.